welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic. Question: which Indian defense exercise is conducted jointly with the United States focusing on counterterrorism operations? Answer A. Yudh Abhyas. Question: the exercise Vajra Praher is conducted between India and which country? Answer A. United States. Question: exercise Shakti is a bilateral military exercise between India and which country? Answer C. Russia. Question: which Indian defense exercise is the largest tri-services exercise conducted domestically? Answer D. Exercise Gagan Shakti. Question: exercise Tropex is primarily associated with which branch of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer B. Indian Navy. Question: exercise Mitra Shakti is conducted between India and which country? Answer A. Sri Lanka. Question: the Indian Army's exercise Yudh Abhyas is conducted with which country? Answer B. United States. Question: exercise Indra is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer A. Russia. Question: which exercise is a tri-services command post exercise conducted by the Indian Armed Forces to enhance jointmanship? Answer A. Exercise Gagan Shakti. Question: exercise Ajay Warrior is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer A. United Kingdom. Question: exercise Ekuverin is conducted between India and which country? Answer A. Maldives. Question: exercise Sudarshan Shakti is held to test the operational readiness of which Indian force? Answer C. Indian Army. Question: exercise Japad is a major military exercise conducted by which country, often observed by India? Answer B. Russia. Question: exercise Scope India is a joint air exercise between India and which country? Answer A. United States. Question: exercise Garuda is a bilateral air force exercise between India and which country? Answer B. Indonesia. Question: exercise X Shakti focuses on joint training between India and which country's army? Answer A. Russia. Question: exercise Hand in Hand is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer A. China. Question: exercise Bold Kurukshetra is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer A. Singapore. Question: which Indian defense exercise is conducted annually to test the operational readiness of the Indian Air Force? Answer A. Exercise Gagan Shakti. Question. Exercise Mitra Shield is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. C. Bhutan. Question. Exercise Sampriti is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. A. Bangladesh. Question. Exercise Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. A. Nepal. Question. Exercise Sagar Kavach is conducted by which branch of the Indian Armed Forces? Answer. D. Coast Guard. Question. Exercise Desert Night is conducted by which Indian Armed Force? Answer. B. Indian Air Force. Question. Exercise Nomadic Elephant is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. A. Mongolia. Question. Exercise Dharma Guardian is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. A. Japan. Question. Exercise Samudra Shakti is a naval exercise between India and which country? Answer. D. Singapore. Question. Exercise Khanjar is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. C. Tajikistan. Question. Exercise Vajra Kavach is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer. B. United Kingdom. Question. Exercise Yuddh Abhyas focuses on which type of military operations? Answer. A. Counter-terrorism. Thanks for watching. Comment your score. If any suggestions, comment below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.